Hi collective, it's Yana. Y'all, let's get a read. Archangel Michael, I ask that you preside over this reading. I ask that you protect me and my collective as we channel, transmute, and harmonize the energy for the highest good. Ashe, Ashe collective. Archangel Michael, I ask that you help make this message clear, succinct, to the point, and as speedy as we can possibly do it. Okay. All right. Collective, let's go. We're using Intuitive Cavs Kipperish Oracle deck. Okay. I don't know. Oh, here's the box. Okay. And we're using my deck. All right. Let's go. I have to keep using these more so they'll shuffle better. Show me this situation. Thank you. Okay, collective. Thank you. Destruction. Number 94. Bottom of the deck, we have Soulmate collective. Let's keep it. Let's put it up there. I think this is where it's going. That's why. That's a beautiful card, though. All right, show me. Excuse me, the divine outcome. I mean, no, collective, the obstacle. What in the world? And that's number 75. Okay? Could be 49 backwards or 57. Family collective. Okay? Let's get a bottom one on that one. And show me the spiritual advice. Thank you. We're going to keep this as a mystery. That's water, y'all. Show me the divine outcome. Let's keep that one in the bottom. Thank you. Love offer collective. It's definitely about a soulmate. Okay, and a love offer. Okay, something about destruction. I don't know why this is causing some destruction, collective. Bottom of the deck, we have guitar player. Okay, show me the situation. Why is this destruction card here? Destruction card. Y'all, why did I do that? I can't stand this card. I don't know why the hell I made that card. Let's keep this as the mystery. Show me the obstacle. Something about this sacral. Thank you. Show me the divine outcome. I mean, no, the spiritual advice. Thank you. And show me the divine outcome. Let's keep that one. Thank you. Bottom of the deck, we have within the next month. Okay, but it's an old card. Let's see. Moving over the divine outcome, the spiritual advice, and let's move over the obstacle too. All right, now we have the situation. Let's see. Destruction. What is this about? Let's just call this one, this Dravidians, the Untouchables collective. Maybe that's you. Okay, you're untouchable. Okay, and there's something definitely about a love offer and a soulmate with the sacral chakra. Maybe this is like a past life relationship. But why is this causing destruction? And it says Dravidians, the Untouchables, original people of India, Dalit, outcasts, seen as lower stratum of societal construct. Maybe they've shunned the whole relationship. Somebody. Show me. Deliverance collective. Someone's being delivered. Maybe the whole union, these two are being delivered. Okay? From destruction. And maybe just being seen as the lower, you know, the lower class. Excuse me. Show me situation. Josh. Okay? I don't know, collective. I don't know. What the hell are you being delivered from? Let's see this card. Show me, what is this? You broke free from that toxic ass energy, collective. So it could be saying like you're untouchable, right? Or it could be saying like someone's a lowlife, collective. Okay, but it could be like severing this partnership. That's what it looks like, even though they're here together, collective. Show me, bottom of the deck. Secrets are out. What are these secrets? Let's get this one here. You broke free from the toxic energy because the secrets are out. Or maybe the secret is out that you broke free from this toxic energy. Show me, what are these secrets? Secret number 1. Some with a divine masculine, collective. It's definitely a higher partnership, higher energy, higher vibrational partnership. Okay? Secrets are out about the divine masculine. He's a nice looking guy though. He's got green eyeballs though. Why in the hell are those eyeballs green? It's like a reptilian, collective. But he's good looking. Well, okay, let's go. Secrets are out, bottom of the deck. Divination, collective. What in the world? This divine masculine. The whole community knows, collective, what this divine masculine has been doing with divination, okay? Or maybe the whole community is a part of it. Who knows? Today, collective. You just don't know. Wow, collective. Maybe this divine masculine did so much divination or paying for it possibly, right? That now he's in poverty, collective. I don't know. I don't think that's the purpose of divination, collective. To send you to poverty. I just don't think that's right. Someone's missed the point. The whole point of it all, okay? What is this divination? Well, what did this divine masculine do with this divination? Let's take this. Bottom of the deck, you have been chosen to take down a corrupt empire. In this case, the divine masculine. Show me. Duck, okay? That's a name or a nickname, or maybe it's a real duck, collective. Receiving a helping hand. Up from a botanical lover, collective. And a guitar player, okay? Possibly named Duck. Maybe Duck is the person they went to for this divination. Okay? And maybe they smoke weed and play guitar music while they're there. Okay, I don't know. Okay. But they feel like they're out in the cold. Okay? And maybe they're doing the divination because you broke free. Okay, and that's the tower for this person, okay? What is the sacral chakra? Show me that. That is sticky. I gotta get to the whole deck. Get all the stickiness gone. Sacral chakra. What's that? Y'all, that's a lot. Oh my goodness. They wanted to bind you, collective. Bind your divinity. So they went for divination, collective. Weed and divination, okay? Show me. Oh, sacral chakra. Show me. Bondage. They wanted to bind you, okay? Possibly with unbeknownst to you, collective. Surprise. Oh my Lord. With a child, collective. Isn't that crazy? And I feel like they're getting karma for this, okay? And look, the child's crying. I don't know why the child's crying. And there's a number 11 on the shirt. No H8. I don't know what that is. Wow, collective. What the hell is this? Did we have a divine feminine? We had the soulmate though, but I don't know why the hell this child is here. Maybe they wanted to bind you with a child, okay? And we have karma. Maybe they're receiving karma for that. Let's see something real quick with this bondage. We're going to get that on both decks. Show me this bondage. What is this? Let's see. Now, that's the fucking truth. They wanted to bind you with a child. Okay? and possibly prevent your transformation, okay? It says, you have transformed into a beautiful butterfly, collective. And maybe in some with law enforcement, collective, maybe your twin or this divine masculine is law enforcement, okay? And they did this to keep you from walking away, is what I'm getting, okay? And they sent themselves broke, collective. The card's gone, but they made themselves broke, collective. Okay, I don't know. That's definitely not the purpose, I'm sure, of divination, okay? Okay, real quick. What was I going to ask? No, that's the truth. Okay, let's go. The community. Show me this community. I feel like they're just nosy and they're all watching. Down to the cat and the dog, collective. Okay, they're all watching. They just can't wait. It's like they're watching television or something, collective. All right, show me. Why is the community here? What are they finding out, or why are they here? Are they a part, or what's happening? Rituals, collective. Damn. They're a part of it. Okay? Binding rituals. My goodness. I feel like it's a backfire, collective. Bliss. Let's get the other one. Achievement. Maybe they did this for bliss and achievement, okay? But what are they really getting? There's a change, okay? What is this achievement that they're really getting, this community and this divine, this soulmate? What is their true achievement? We know that they wanted something other than what they're getting. What is the achievement? The actual achievement. Let's see. Y'all, this is the actual achievement for the opposition. They're getting beat up. They're bruised and bandaged, okay? They could be going to the hospital, collective. Somebody could be leaving the hospital. Look at this person. Intuitive Kev is really good at capturing the results of a fight, collective. Okay, look at this. Look at that eyeball. It's perfection, collective. Look at that eyeball. This is horrible. Her hair looks cute, though. Okay, but damn, look at her face. What the hell? That's the achievement for these binding rituals, possibly for a whole community. That's the pathway that they made for themselves, collective. That is the ultimate reward for the community and whoever this masculine is, okay? All right, let's keep going. Collective, look at this. I feel like the whole community's having an awakening, okay? As they spiral out of control. And here we have that wonderful number 47. Okay, could even be a cult of some sort, okay? Oh my goodness, collective. This is what they were doing. Okay, and that's probably that disgusting little hermit guy. I know who this is. It's a Cancer, collective. Let's see. Who is this? This could be the big guy. Got this green and purple aura. We know that ain't a true aura, okay? Those colors look too pleasing to me. Too enlightened. The heart chakra and the crown chakra. No, that ain't him. And it's got the mixture of the third chakra in those colors. But he has on that gray robe. Let's see. Look at this in the reverse. It's all out here in the reverse. Twin flame, collective. That's who it is. Ain't that some shit? Or they sent him. Oh, they sent this third party. I feel like this twin is having a secret relationship with this man, okay? The man that they sent. Even though you got two. Let's see, though. Let's see. Who is this person to this twin flame? To this divine masculine? Who is this person that's doing this death magic? It could be the divine masculine, though. Your oldest sister is your mother, okay? Gold bars within the next month, okay? So possibly your older sister is your mother. That's what the card says, collective, okay? Somebody, okay? And within the next month, expect a payout, okay? Hopefully that makes you feel better, okay? After learning this shocking news, okay? All right, let's go. This was all for this person, right? Neuromelanin, okay? Maybe they're trying to attack your neuromelanin. This collective, this is this crazy ass twin, okay? Where's the King of Wands? Show me the King of Wands, collective. I don't like the King of Wands. I don't care what deck the King of Wands is in, okay? Maybe I'm being childish, but I don't care, collective. I don't care. Show me, who is this Bigfoot that's on my... Maybe they ain't on your tail no more, collective, because it's all backfiring. Show me, who is this... Okay, thank you. It's a karmic femme. Okay, maybe that's why Bigfoot is on your tail is in the reverse, because it's a woman. Okay, bottom of the deck for Bigfoot, a rich guy, a karmic femme, and a rich guy, collective. I don't know, or maybe the rich guy's in the feminine energy. Okay, could be. Something about a house or something going on in this house. Okay, let's keep going. Otherwise, we'll be here forever. Let's get one on. Did I get some? Oh, yeah, I did get that. Bigfoot. Take off, collective. Something's about to take off. This tower, collective. I don't know how it's because you broke free, collective. I don't know. You're just so wonderful that you just things tear up and fall apart when you walk away, okay? Now these people are going down. This family, this community, collective. Okay, I don't know. It's a lot. Show me the obstacles, family, crossing. Something's going on with a family. This family is enamored with you, okay? I don't know. I don't know whose family it is, collective. Show me. Obstacle. Drop everything and read time. They're about to read about something, okay? Or maybe they read something. Or maybe we're going to read something. Or you. Show me. Fuck out of here. They're about to read, I guess, that they got to go. Or they read that you're out of here, collective. Now they realize that you're the out of here, okay? Obstacle. Yeminya, find them wherever. Oh, my goodness. That's the obstacle, collective. They might take out the whole family. Somebody's family, collective. This could be the destruction. It says, Yeminya, find them wherever they hide, deep within the crevasse, and drown them all. Okay? Drown them all. Okay? Damn, fuck out of here and drown them all. Okay? And family, collective, drop everything and read. I feel like they're gonna hear about it. Okay? Show me that one, and then we're gonna move on. Bessie. Okay. Stereo B satellite. Okay. That's like the satellite for the sun, collective. Okay. Let's get something on that one. Truth seeker. Okay. Maybe Bessie, you're a truth seeker. So, show me law enforcement, collective. That came back out here. I don't know why the satellite is here. Maybe they're tracking you. There could be GPS that the law enforcement has been using. I'm not sure why Bessie's out here, okay? You put it where it goes. I'm not sure. Okay? Bottom of the deck. Dodgeball. They're trying to get out. Maybe people know. Maybe they've been members of law enforcement, okay, may have been using resources, you know, in order to track you. Because the satellite is there to look at the sun, okay? I know one satellite, I don't think they say it's in commission anymore. But I think it's just because of the angle it's at, that it can see things that they don't want us to see. Okay, like who knows what's behind the sun. Okay. But, yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's some sort of tracking with that. Let's get something on this. This is going to be strange, but let's see. Maybe they're watching your house. Show me the stereo B satellite. Maybe they're tracking Bigfoot. Maybe they're tracking a storm. Okay, I don't know, collective. A sunstorm. Collective, that is too many. I see priests, but let's do this again. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Show me stereo B satellite. Let's see. Work, labor, efforts. What the hell? And Starseed, collective, they're tracking you and your work. Your labor, your efforts, and your healing, possibly. Your wishes and your dreams, collective. Dodgeball. I don't know why they're tracking you like this. And you got away with the dodgeball, okay? I feel like there's some sort, I don't know what this law enforcement's doing, okay? Why they're here. Let's see something, collective, because there's imprisonment. I don't know if law enforcement's going to prison or this community and this twin or whoever, okay? And whoever this twin sent. Show me law enforcement. Why is it? Well, we just saw imprisonment, okay? Let's see something. Show me law enforcement. Fell out there. You went above and beyond. I feel like that twin went too far. Somebody named St. Paul or the place St. Paul, something. I feel like with this law enforcement, with this at the bottom of the deck, they went above and beyond to try to get you caught in a web of lies. Okay? But I feel with the dodgeball, you escaped it. Okay? I don't really see, maybe you're the starseed energy. Yeah, you are. Okay? But yeah, I think this is just another twin bites the dust. That's why it's in the reverse. And another one's gone. And another one's gone. Another twin bites the dust. Yeah. Boom. I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Okay, let's see. Spiritual advice. Okay? And they're biting the dust because they violated sacred ground. And I feel like they're speaking as well as about the union, okay? The union was supposed to be based on real love, okay? But they violated that. Show me spiritual advice. The relationship, collective. Something about the relationship. Maybe they have a lot of relationships because these look like different people all over the place. Yeah. A thief of a relationship, possibly. Or a thief wants a relationship. Maybe that's the person they sent. The thief. Haploid. Let's see. A single set of unpaired chromosomes. Let me see. Hot dogs for dinner, okay? Maybe the thief came to rob you because they need food, collective. Okay? Alright, but look, show me that haploid. Archangel Michael, why is that here? Haploid. Damn, this takeoff just keep coming out today. I was trying to do another read that I deleted. Okay? But yeah, and that was just plaguing the read. I put all the cards back and I tried to do another read. And that one just went crazy. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to put this one out here, but I'm just not feeling it, collective. I need a nap, I think, okay? Alright, but something about fire starter. Takeoff. A singles, that was the baby, collective. Maybe that's the baby they're talking about. Okay? This is like the ignition, like you know how not the ignition, but you know how the egg fights to get, the sperm fights to get in the egg, and then once that one sperm, I guess, ideally gets in there, right? There's like an explosion or something. Okay? So that's what I'm getting for the fire starter. Okay? I don't know why these hot dogs are here, collective. But I feel like they wanted to rob you. Okay, we got Barker at the bottom of the deck. Barker like a dog, okay? A dog barking, waiting for hot dogs. I don't know. Show me the hot dogs. Why is this important? Archangel Michael. Oh, is this another card, collective? Residual phase. I feel like there's some people are waiting on something. I don't know what they're waiting on because it's obvious that there's a rejection here, okay? A rejection coming, I feel. Oh, they're waiting on the magic, okay? But they've already received their piss poor achievement, okay? Or they will be. Show me, what was that? Hot dogs for dinner. And we're going to get the closeouts. Tyrannical Rex, y'all keep falling out here on this soulmate, okay? But it's been falling out on this feminine, okay? So put the energy where it goes, okay? And we did have karmic feminine, right? So, but put it where it goes. It could be the feminine in the relationship, okay? That's the problem. Maybe this feminine has more of a masculine energy, okay? something, collective. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Bottom of the deck. Hot dogs for dinner. Scared to death, collective. Maybe they scared to go to the market, collective. And they just keep eating hot dogs, collective. Okay? Let's get these closeouts. What is the divine outcome? Sweetheart. That's you, I feel. Okay? Male or feminine. Okay? But I don't know. They abused you. Somebody could have been a couple, collective. Your divine masculine could have coupled up with some karmic feminine to abuse you and others, okay? And your family. Aw. That's definitely a divine feminine, though. Okay? Because she's just, I feel like she's just enduring this pain, right? Aw. Even though it hurts. Show me. And they did this because you're a sweetheart. True intentions reveal, okay, with this abuse. They're jealous of you because you're a sweetheart. Whoever, masculine or feminine. Put it where it goes. Yeah, you have many creative abilities and talents. They were jealous and trying to trap you with a child possibly, okay, and do death magic on you, collective. They could be doing death magic on your child too, collective. With that baby there crying, okay? This is terrible. Possibly trying to bind your child as well. This is disgusting. Show me this child. Why is this child here? These people go right in hell, collective. They ain't figured it out yet, okay? They ain't figured it out yet. Show me. They're going to be like burnt hot dogs in hell, okay? Show me this child. Collective, hello in the reverse. These people are weird. I'm just getting a weird energy, okay? Commitment and boss. This is this twin, I feel. Okay? I feel like there's no way there's going to be a hello, a commitment for this boss, collective. So they feel like they're the boss. This narcissist. Boss in the reverse. Emperor in the reverse. Number 88 is significant because they can't manifest, collective. They're manifesting in the opposite, okay? Even though 8s, it's hard to see it in the opposite. So maybe there's some difficulty with their clarity. They can't see that they're having backfires, collective. I feel like on a whole community, okay? Let's get one more. Excuse me, y'all. Let's get another one on this destruction. Anything, final messages regarding this destruction. What's going on with these people? What does this backfire look like? What does this destruction look like? We know that the one soulmate has broken free. Yo, it's hot. Show me. Y'all gotta take a nap too. Love spell, collective. This is what they do. Why can't they just end it doing the evil eye, collective? This is just a whole bunch of envy and hatred. Yeah. These people are pathetic, collective. I get tired of reading this stuff, okay? I really do. It's just pathetic. They think nothing of themselves, collective, because who would commit all of this time trying to trap one individual? All these people. It just doesn't make sense, collective. It doesn't make sense. You waste your whole life. You know that these people are possessed or they're just not people, collective. Yeah, they're doing the love spell. It says love pote number 9, collective. Okay? They may have done, this might have been the 9th love spell that they've done, okay? All for abundance. Abundance that they're not going to get. Now they get an abundance of karma and it backfires, collective. It just doesn't make sense. And you lose your love. And you lose your abundance. And you possibly lose your lives. I don't know. Let's go. Mystery card number 1. You're the gift, collective. You're the sweetheart, I feel. Or maybe they want to come in with a fake gift. Estonia. Wow. What in the world is this? This could be the energy harvesting, okay? Because I know there's some reason London and that area, they seem to be so intertwined in this. There's something. They have some knowledge about this, okay? These twin flames. Estonia, country in Northern Europe, or maybe you're located there, okay? But it says country in Northern Europe, near Finland to the north, Latvia to the south, and Russia to the right. Let's get something on this one, y'all, and we out of here. You hold no authority at the bottom of the deck. Let's see. It's Stonewood. Why is this here? Why is it here, Archangel Michael? What is that? The dark side of the moon in the reverse. Ninja, something dark. You are a gift to the world, collective. This, I don't know. They have play a major role in this energy harvesting over there in Europe somewhere, collective. That's what I believe. Based on prior readings as well, okay? Heartbroken. They're heartbroken, collective. Maybe this is the twin over there, too. I don't know. Okay, but, yeah, I don't know. Fractals of the mind. I feel like these people are just messed up in the mind. One last one. Dark side of the moon. What's that? In the reverse. Let's get that one, too. It's peeking out here. Dark. Okay. And y'all, we done after this. Dark side of the moon. Yeah. Okay. They know how powerful you are, collective, because you broke free from all this shenaniganery. Okay? Show me. Dark side of the moon. USPS. Maybe you got some messages coming in. Like that gold. Those gold bars, collective. Show me. 22. You're a master. I feel like you've mastered the situation. Okay? They know how powerful you are, collective. Show me. Sumter, South Carolina, collective. Whoever's in Sumter, South Carolina, they know how powerful you are, collective. Let me see. Show me something for Sumter, South Carolina. Why is that here? Damn. Crustacean in the reverse. Invertebrates. Animals. My goodness. Arthropods. Aquatic. Mineralized. Calcium carbonate. Shell. Krill. Shrimp, collective. This is what they're talking about these people. Or this place or something. Let's go. Queen of Swords powering up. Bottom of the deck. Trepidation, collective. They're in fear of what you're speaking. This is definitely a twin, soulmate, or some kind, okay? LaSalle. Alright, but they're in fear, okay? About what you're speaking about in Sumter, South Carolina. What happened in Sumter, South Carolina? This could be where the abundance is. They hold no authority, okay? Donnie. And coming into union with yourself, with oneself, twin flame. Okay, so that's the soulmate now. You, okay? While this twin is trapped in fear, as well as this community and this family, okay? In the reverse, okay? And I feel like they're going to do a show of force, collective. Okay? I feel like they're coming through with a show of force. For all this hatred. And for the fact that these people violated the Hermetic principles as it relates to life, and definitely as when it comes to you, okay? It says ancient wisdom that governs the universe. They went against it. And we have Hendrix, okay? Somebody's last name could be Hendrix, okay? Did we have Guitar Player Collective? I don't know why. I don't know. There's something hidden, or they want to say with regarding Jimi Hendrix, I feel, okay? I'm telling you, I don't know. I don't know. It'll come out eventually. You know, because this is how they do me, okay? Because they like you slow, okay? But we gonna work with you, okay? It's like they ain't saying that. Sometimes they do, but they ain't saying that all the time. They know that the messages that they're giving are not easy to crack, okay? And these last few reads, I've been feeling it, that it's like I'm being made to go to the next level, right? But it's hard. So it's like, wow, what the hell is this? It's like, you know, they just tell you, hey, you're in a new class. You come to class thinking everything cool. You feeling good. Like, hey, it's Friday. And, you know, the week's done. We're going to have fun. You and your homegirls, your homeboys, right? And you just going to chill. Do what you got to do, right? Have fun and get ready for the weekend, right? While you're in school thinking about the weekend, right? But then the teacher comes to you and says, no, you in a new class today. Hey, you've been doing really well. We're going to up you a grade today. Okay, and it don't really happen like that, but That's the feeling I'm getting, right? And then it's like they give you all this new material, even though I've got the same material, but the way it's coming out at a more complex level, okay? And that's why I need a nap, collective. Okay? That's why I need a nap. All right. Archangel Michael, do you have any final messages to say for this message? Y'all, hopefully you got what I was putting down, okay? Fuck a cord cutting. These mofos getting dragged. The whole freaking community. The whole families. Multiple families. The twin collective. Whoever the twin sent. Possibly the whole nation of Estonia. I don't know. Maybe not the whole nation collective. But whoever's over there in Estonia that's doing these rituals, okay? Or a part of it. They're trapped inside the Matrix collective. Beautiful. Because they came for the wrong one, collective. You're a royal bloodline, okay? And they had your twin. Your twin, they didn't do it. Your twin did it. They just got themselves involved. I don't know. Maybe they didn't feel worthy. Maybe they didn't feel worthy. Let's ask this question. Why did this twin go against my collective? Why did the twin go against my collective? New pleasant experiences wait, okay? I feel like they were jealous of you, okay? Your twin. Okay, and transmutation, you are evolving, you're ascending, and they're jealous. You have the dominant gene, collective. Okay, all right, collective, if you like the video, like the video.